There's trouble in Planet Popstar. King Dedede and his soldiers have stolen all the food. Meta Knight is preparing his armada to invade and conquer Dreamland. And the Sun and Moon are fighting! Kirby, you gotta do something! Fire!
Hey, Kirby! Ow!
Mamma mia, Papa Mia, baby got the diarrhea.
Ew.
Hurry, sir! He's headed straight for us!
Oh no.
So Meta Knight, what shall we do?
Soldiers near the deck. Assume combat mode. Prepare to take off. Blow Kirby away.
Ew.
Is it over?
Burn up. Kirby reached the deck.
Remain calm. Let's go, Mumbo.
The main cannon has been destroyed! Serious damage to the left wing!
We are going to lose balance.
Lower the sail. Increase right wing power.
Major damage to the right wing!
The reactor has been destroyed.
We are losing power! All systems are failing! Number 3 and number 5 engines are died!
I don't want to die, Captain.
That's why I'm prepared!
This is it, Kirby. Prepare to die.
Right!
Listen here, you cheeky piece of gum. I will not hesitate to go back to native.
No!
Soldier boy out there! Now maybe I'm the Ripper, you're in daddy's
While you were sucking everything up like a fat boy at a golden corral, I gathered all the star power in the universe and became God!
You're still here? It's over. Go home.